Hello students, today we will discuss the new method, that is Lagrange's method. Lagrange's formula for interpolation and inverse interpolation statement: if y0 is equal to f of x0, y1 is equal to f of x1, y2 is equal to f of x2, so on to yn is equal to f of xn, be a set of values of an unknown function y is equal to f of x corresponding to the values of x, where the values of x are x0, x1, x2 and so on to xn, not necessarily at equal intervals. Not necessarily at equal intervals means x values are not orderly given, or they don't have any fixed difference. And the formula is y is equal to f of x, which is equal to x minus x1, x minus x2 and so on to x minus xn, divided by x0 minus x1, x0 minus x2 and so on to x0 minus xn into yn, plus x minus x0, x minus x2, x minus x3 and so on to x minus xn, divided by x1 minus x0, x1 minus x2, x1 minus x3 and so on to x1 minus xn into yn, plus x minus x0, x minus x1 and so on to x minus xn, divided by x2 minus x0, x2 minus x1 and so on to x2 minus xn into y2, plus so on to plus x minus x0, x minus x1, x minus xn minus so on to x minus xn minus 1, divided by xn minus x0, xn minus x1 so on to xn minus xn minus 1 into yn. This is the formula to find y for given values of x using Lagrange's method. Remark: the special feature of this formula is that the terms of formula involve only the values in the variable x and y. See here, in this formula only x and y variables are involved. Next is, the values of x also need not to be equally spaced, nor need they be in the any order. Next, third one, we can interchange the role of x and y in the formula, and the same is called Lagrange's inverse interpolation formula, which helps us to find x for a given value of y. The formula is x is equal to y minus y1, y minus y2 and so on to y minus yn, divided by y0 minus y1 into y0 minus y2 and so on to y0 minus yn into x0, plus so on to plus, this is the last term, y minus y0, y minus y1 and so on to y minus yn minus 1, divided by yn minus y0, yn minus y1 and so on to yn minus 1 into xn. This is same as the Lagrange's formula, just replace x by y by x. This formula is called Lagrange's inverse interpolation formula. This formula is helpful to find the value of x for the given value of y. Let us go to the example. First one, use Lagrange's interpolation formula to find f of 4 given x values 0, 2, 3, 6. F of x values means y is equal to f of x. This is therefore the values of y or values of f of x are minus 4, 2, 14 and 158. We have to find f of 4, means we have to find the value of y at x is equal to 4. Let x0 is equal to 0. Here this value, this is x0, x1, x2, x3, y0, y1, y2, y3. Just write down x0 is equal to 0, x1 is equal to 2, x2 is equal to 3, x3 is equal to 6, y0 is equal to minus 4, y1 is equal to 2, y2 is equal to 14 and y3 is equal to 158. Here x value is given, that is x is equal to 4. We have to find the value of y at x is equal to 4 we have the Lagrange's interpolation formula. Here x value is given, we have to find the value of y, therefore use Lagrange's formula. We have Lagrange's interpolation formula for 4 given values. See here 4 values are given, that is x0, x1, x2, x3, y0, y1, y2, y3. Just write the formula up to 4 terms: x minus x1, x minus x2, x minus x3 divided by x0 minus x1, x0 minus x2, x0 minus x3 into y0 plus x minus x0, x minus x2, x minus x3 divided by x minus x0, x1 minus x2, x1 minus x3 into y1 plus x minus x0, x minus x1, x minus x3 divided by x2 minus x0, x2 minus x1, x2 minus x3 into y2 plus x minus x0, x minus x1, x minus x2 divided by x3 minus x0, x3 minus x1 into x3 minus x2 into y3. Here terms are given up to y3, so just write up to 4 terms. Substitute the values from given data. We know that x0 value is 0, x1 value is 2, x2 value is 3, x3 value is 6, and y0 value is minus 4, y1 value is 2, y2 value is 14, y3 value is 158, and x value is 4. Just substitute all these values in this formula. Here the substitution 4 minus 2 because x value is 4 and x0 value is, x1 value is 2, x2 value is 3, x3 value is 6. Like this, just substitute all the values in this formula and calculate. We get f of 4 is equal to 40. After the calculation, value of y at x is equal to 4 is f of 40 or f of 4 is equal to 40. Next example. Use Lagrange's interpolation formula to fit a polynomial for the data. Here x values are given, y values are given, hence estimate y at x is equal to 2. First we have to find the polynomial. After that, substitute x is equal to 2 to find the value of y at x is equal to 2. First thing is, first we have to find the polynomial. Write the x values and y values. x0 value is 0, x1 is 1, x2 is 3, x2 is 3, x3 is 4, y0 is minus 12, y1 is 0, y2 is 6, and y3 is 12. We have to find f of x or f of x. After that, y value. We have the Lagrange's interpolation formula. Here also x value is given. To find the value of y, that means we have to use the Lagrange's interpolation formula. This is the Lagrange's interpolation formula. Here also up to x3 and y3 values are given. Write 4 terms in the formula and substitute the given values. Here x is as it is because first we have to find the interpolating polynomial. Keep x as it is and substitute remaining values. x1 value is minus 1, x2 value is minus 3, x3 value is minus 4, y0 value is minus 12 divided by x0 value is 0. Sorry, x0 value is 0, minus x1 is minus 1, x0 minus x2 will be minus 3, x0 minus x3 will be minus 4 plus, see here y1 value is 0. y1 value is 0 means y 0 into something, again it will be 0, so write directly 0 plus third term x into x minus 1, x minus 4 divided by x2 minus x0 is 3, x2 minus x1 is 2, x2 minus x3 is minus 1 into y0 value, y2 value is 6 plus x into x minus 1, x minus 3 divided by x3 minus x0 is 4, x3 minus x1 is 3, x3 minus x2 is 1, and y3 value is 12. Calculate this one. Simplify. F of x is equal to x minus x1, x minus x3, x minus x4, because see here it will be, after the calculation it will be minus 12. Therefore minus 12 get cancelled. Remaining is only x minus 1, x minus 2, x minus 4. First term is x minus 1 into x minus 3 into x minus 4. Next term is 0. Then third term is x into x minus 1, x minus 4 into 6. This will be minus 6. 6 is get cancelled. Therefore it is minus x into x minus 1, x minus 4, plus last term is x into x minus 1, x minus 3 into 12 divided by 4 into 3. It will be 12. 12 get cancelled. Remaining is only x minus 1, x minus 3. Therefore x into x minus 1 into x minus 3. See here, in these three terms, x minus 1 is common. Take x minus 1 common and write remaining terms in the bracket and simplify this one. Here remaining is x minus 3 into x minus 4. Multiply these two brackets, we get x square minus 7x plus 12 minus x into x minus 1 is taking common. Remaining is x into x minus 4. Therefore it is x square minus 4x plus x into x minus 3. It will be x square minus 3x. Simplify this bracket, we get x square minus 6x plus 12. Multiply these two brackets, we get x square minus 7x square plus 18x minus 12. Therefore the required polynomial is x cube minus 7x square plus 18x minus 12. After that we have to find the value of y at x is equal to 2. Therefore f of 2 or y at 2, y for x is equal to 2 is 2 cube minus 7 into 2 square plus 18 into 2 minus 12, which is equal to 4. Therefore f of 2 is equal to 4. The value of y at x is equal to 2 is 4.